everyone, today I decided to create a tutorial about how to download drivers for older hardware, like for example my old Fujitsu laptop. Fujitsu doesn't have drivers anymore on their website for that, so I have to search for other drivers, and today I will explain how to do that. So, you want to download your drivers, but where? You need a website. I know one, Driverscape. You can download all your drivers there, or almost all. Like for example Packard Bell, IBM, Fujitsu. Much drivers there. But maybe it's better to search with the model of your PC. Oh, you need to search for drivers. Here you got it. Driverscape Fujitsu Livebook is 780 drivers download. And you got it. All the drivers. It's maybe a better idea to search for Snappy Driver Installer. Oh, keyboard. There you have it, Snappy Driver Installer. And already op the top of the page, install missing drivers and update old drivers. And maybe it's also a good idea, if you have found the drivers, to keep them on your PC. Archive them on a USB flash drive or something. It's always a good idea to have a backup of your drivers. You never know what happens. But please stay away from tools like Driver Easy. Here, this website, good design, but it's just a money grab. You pay for finding drivers that you need maybe one time. Why would you pay $30 for 3 PCs for 1 year? Driver Easy. Just why? It's also a good idea to search in Windows Update for drivers. Okay, it's a bad idea on modern PCs, but on old PCs it can help. Because why not? And the cool thing is, if you connect your PC to the internet, it will automatically search for drivers on Windows 10 and 11. Oh wait, Windows Update doesn't work on old PCs with Windows 11. So, that's already the end of the video. Was this tutorial helpful? Or maybe you have a question or suggestion? Comment down below. Maybe you want to leave a like? It would be so nice. And what do you think of my voice? Is it bad? Is it nice? So I do more videos with my voice. No, okay. The next time we are going to do maybe a malware video. Maybe a Windows experiment. You never know. Thanks for watching.